Welcome back. This is Geometry Semester 2. I'm Mr. Allred. I hope you had an enjoyable break and you are ready to begin this semester and looking forward to how everyone's going to do well. There are a few things that I've made a little changes to in Canvas, and I wanted to take some time to kind of show you that real quick as we start this first week of Semester 2. And otherwise, there shouldn't be a whole lot different. Just I've tried to condense some things, make it a little easier to work through Canvas to turn things in. Most of what we do is still going to kind of be the same, but there's a few things I'm going to point out to you in the next little part of this video, and it should help you get started for the year. When you first open up our class course in Canvas, you should see the new course Semester 2. Make sure you are in Semester 2. And everything looks pretty much the same. When you want to find our daily lessons, you go to Modules and click Modules. So we click Modules. And right now you should only see one available to you, Unit 4, and you won't even see the whole thing completed just yet. So you'll see the first two lessons here, though. Some things to remind you of. We'll always start with the unit overview. If you click that, it kind of outlines the different lessons and quiz and test days. And you'll kind of see the process of going through each day or lesson. And then as you progress through to the next part, there is a copy of the note packet. I'll give you this in class, but if you're ever gone or misplace yours, you're welcome to download this and print one yourself. This is just a copy of the blank notes. And then next, you will have access to an extra help videos page. And I put some links to some extra help videos for each lesson that might be beneficial to you. And then you'll get into our first of the lessons here. And you'll see this, this first lesson I've replaced. I'm going to go back to the modules page and kind of show you what this looks like. You'll notice now that there is only a homework check for each lesson. In the past, there was an assignment where you had to submit a file upload of your worksheet that was for 0 points, and then you had to move on to the homework check. I've tried to condense all that down into just one thing, and I can do that through the homework checks now. So when you are ready to submit your assignment, you'll click the homework check. You'll still see the same things that you saw in the assignment from last semester with regards to how this looks, but I've put it all in the instructions to the homework checks. You'll still see our lesson video link. So if you're ever gone, you can click that video link and follow along in the notes. I did make sure that this unit, and hopefully for the rest of the semester, the notes packet we use should match the lesson videos that I post here. So you don't have to worry about them, the examples not exactly matching up with the note packet you have. Everything should match up. But if you're ever gone and want just the copy of the notes, you can click here for the in-class notes that we've taken. That's a build. I'm going to build that document as we go throughout the unit, and so for lesson 2 you'll have access to both the lessons 1 and 2 there, and for lesson 3 you'll have access to all 3, and so it'll build as we go when you click that same link. And then you'll see the worksheet digital version. I've given you this in class, or I will have given you this in class, but then you'll be ready for the homework check, and you'll click begin like you normally do. And when you do that, it kind of brings up the same intro page with the instructions that we just saw, and you keep kind of scrolling through this, and you'll see the first question. And again, on each worksheet, the bold numbered questions are the ones you have to enter for the homework check. So as you go through, you'll be able to enter your answers for the homework check, but at the very end of each one of these homework checks, kind of like we usually do on the tests and quizzes, there's a place for you to upload a picture of your work. So you will still take a picture of both sides of the worksheet, and you'll upload that here, but you can do this all in one thing in the homework check. Okay. So again, this is kind of what it looks like. Each lesson you will click the homework check and you'll submit that. That's where you'll get your points. So I've tried to make it a little easier to navigate through some things. What you will see on the home page each week, and this is, you found this video by clicking the announcement that you'll see right up here. So after I post the video, I'll put it in an announcement up here. Each week you'll have a weekly announcement that kind of outlines what we're doing each week. So that's kind of how you navigate through this course. Okay? Well, I'm looking forward to everyone doing well this semester. If you have any questions, make sure you utilize this inbox and send me a message or ask me in class. Otherwise, have a great week and look forward to seeing everyone in class.